Today we are going to prove that square root of 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta plus square root of 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta is equal to 2 secant theta. For this, we are going to multiply the first term with 1 minus sin theta on denominator as well as numerator. So we get square root of 1 plus square root of 1 minus sin square theta divided by 1 minus sin theta whole square. Now I take the square root out and I have cos theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. Now I take the second term, that is 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. I multiply and divide by 1 minus sin theta I am multiplying by 1 plus sin theta because we want to eliminate whatever we can. So I get square root of 1 minus sin square theta divided by 1 plus sin theta whole square. We know that 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Now I take square root and get cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. This is the second equation. Now I add equation 1 and 2 and get cos theta plus sin theta plus cos theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. This yields I have 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta in the denominator, and numerator I am taking cos theta as common term. So I get 1 minus sin theta into cos theta. 1 minus sin theta plus 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. So I get 2 cos theta divided by 1 minus sin square theta. We know 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So we get 2 cos theta divided by cos square theta. Cancelling, we get 2 secant theta.